Oh, this is just what we need. A leaky air conditioner. So today we're going to try and fix it. It's leaking from the front unit of the split system. So to do that, we're going to need to go outside. Okay, we're out here now, near the main compressor of the air conditioner, and you have to find the drain pipe for it, which in this case is that pipe there, and of course it runs under the deck. Nothing's ever easy around here. Runs under the deck out to this drain by the pool. So I'm going to have to pull up a couple of boards and see if I can get to it. Okay, so of course it's difficult in this situation, but I've got a board off, and this is the drainage pipe here. So there's a blockage somewhere in that drainage pipe, and we need to get it out. So the first method we're going to try and use is the vacuum cleaner. Right, I've got my vacuum cleaner. This is a little screamer, the Zito Shop Vac Wet and Dry. I need to attach the vacuum hose to the drainage hose. Now that's going to need a bit of sealing. For that I'm going to use some masking tape. You want it to really seal that well, so you get the most benefit of your vacuum. I'll do that and we'll be back. Okay, I've just used some masking tape to tape the vacuum cleaner onto the outlet pipe. I'm going to give it a burst of vacuum. Okay, so now for the test. It'll probably take a little while for the drips to clear that have accumulated, but hopefully that might have done it. Here we are back inside, and it's worked. No more drips. Anyway, I hope that's useful for you. Till next time.